If you clicked on this video today because you were looking at how to create this half-up messy bun with a little bit of volume, then girl, you are so in the right place because that is exactly what I'm showing you how to do today. If this hairstyle interests you, then go ahead and keep watching and I'll show you exactly how to do it coming your way right now. Well, hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here for a bit, if you are new, I am super glad that you are here today. My name is Lauren, and my channel is all about making beauty easy for the girl who thinks that she can. And I need to move this water. My hope today is that you will subscribe to my channel and of course hit that notification bell so that you can get alerts every single time I upload new videos, which is every single Friday. I also have a Facebook group with girls just like you and me where we share tips, tricks, and products that we love, we hate, and I actually go live once a week in that platform for my show, my weekly show called Contour and Converse, where I create a makeup look live with you guys in real time. If you want to be a part of a community of girls just like you and me, then go ahead and click the description box below and join that today so that you don't miss out on future stuff with us. We'd love to have you. If you're amped to learn this cute little sassy style, then go ahead and hit that thumbs up button because it helps me out so much. And with all of that said, let's go ahead and jump into this cute little hairstyle, which is this half up, half down, little messy, sassy bun, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it right now. So let's go ahead and jump into some footage of me teaching y'all how to do it, and all the products, of course, as always, will be in the description box below if you want to check them out. I'll see you in a second when I jump to me with my hair down. All right, y'all, let's get started with this messy bun, half up, half down kind of situation. One of the things I wanna say before I start is that it's really cool if you actually curl your hair first. I do not have my hair curled, but it was kind of like in a messy, like, pony all day, so it looks like I curled it. I didn't. It's just from sweat from the gym and then from getting a shower and humidity and not washing it, and this is pretty much what we're left with. So if you can curl your hair beforehand, I really like this style a lot more with curled hair versus like straight hair, or it just has some kind of wave to it. That's just my personal preference because y'all know I like volume. So let's go ahead and get into this, and I'm gonna show you how simple this is and how cute it is. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just get my hair off my neck, and then I'm gonna brush my hair out. I totally forgot my tangle teaser in my other room, my bathroom. So unfortunately, this isn't gonna be as painless as I would prefer, but my hair is just kind of knotty from the gym. So I'm gonna give my hair some volume. You guys know the drill by now. I don't do any hairstyle without volume. I have to have volume. I need it. I need it in my life. I need it to be happy. So I'm gonna actually spray some dry shampoo in my hair because it is also just gross from the gym and I don't plan to wash it tonight, clearly. We're gonna try to get another day out of this mess. So I'm gonna do that and mix that in just a little bit. And it's of course textured from the blow dry. If you guys missed my video on how to blow dry your hair and get voluminous hair from a blow dry, I'll link that for you up above. But I do blow dry my hair like that, so that way whenever I have styles that I wanna do the next day or that night, I actually have some grab and some grit to my hair to keep it from just hanging, because I have fine hair and it will hang and it's straight. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is give myself some volume. So I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of hair in the front, and hopefully I've brushed all the white out of my hair from the dry shampoo. So I'm just, and again, I'm not being like super particular. Oh, that line's pretty good though for not looking, let's be honest. I mean, that's pretty straight. So I'm just gonna give myself just a little bit of volume. So we're not gonna tease way up here. We're just gonna tease right at the root. Just 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna kind of set it to the side so I can try to see the next layer. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna take it back a little further. This part's already been teased several times, which is why it would have been nice to have my tangle teaser back here, but I forgot it. 1, 2, 3. As you guys can see, this works on any hair, dirty or clean. And I'll just actually tease this a little bit too. I think I've got all the sections that I want. Let's see. Cool. So that way when I brush it back, you guys can see that it's actually got a little bit of volume. Okay, so then what you're gonna do, super duper simple, is grab some hair, and I just like to take it right about here. You wanna flatten it out because you'll pull that out once you get done. with your buns. So then you just take your elastic, go 1 and 2, and then you're just gonna wrap it a couple times. If you have thicker hair, you can wrap it as many times as you need to. I just wrap it a couple for me. And then I'm gonna start to pull out. Oh, I just love this. It is so cute, and it really looks like I did something with it. And then I'm gonna take some bobby pins, you guys, and just, let's see, you kind of can just play with it, honestly. Like, for me, because I have finer hair, I don't want this like fan. I'd hate that. That's not cute. So I will just kind of like wad it and play with it until I get a shape that I like, and then I will just pin a few pieces. See, that's much better, much cuter. And then I already started to pull out some of my hair because I like the volume there. I don't want it to be tight to my head. If you like tight to your head, girl, you wear that thing just like that. I just like a little volume. Okay, so then this is pretty much it, you guys. If I had a little bit of curl to my hair, it would look a whole lot cuter, I personally think. But the wave does help. And if you don't have enough volume, here's just a little trick you can do. You can take just a little edge here, pull up, and then just give it a 1, 2, and a 3. Drop it. And see how much that adds over here to the side? I love that. So then I'm gonna do the same thing over here. 1, 2, and 3. And then we just get a little bit more volume. We get a little bit more spritz in our step there. Spritz? No, we don't get a little more spritz. We just get a little more volume. How about that? Okay, so then you just wanna spray it. I know, I'm such a huge nerd, you guys, and I'm sorry. My husband says it's part of my charm. Okay, and you just spray it with a whole can. You just layer it on. And then, bam, girl, you got yourself a cute little hairstyle, and you can rock this. You can go to the gym like this. I wear my hair down at the gym. You can wear it anywhere you want to, and it's cute. That's gonna be a wrap on this video and this quick and easy hairstyle. I hope you guys loved it. I hope it helps you out so much. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it before and you loved it, or if you tried it before and you hated it, or you're missing something and you're not quite sure what it is. I would love to help you out. The only way I can do that is if you comment below. Almost knocked over my water. Oh my goodness. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video next Friday. Hashtag Reform Tomboy Family.